In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit picture in a cell using Excel VBA. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to work. This should be the file where you want the image to be fitted neatly into a cell using a VBA macro. Before going any further, make sure your picture is already inserted somewhere in the worksheet. It should exist as a picture object in the workbook, not just be sitting conceptually inside one cell. Once the picture is in place, click it one time so it becomes selected. You should see the sizing handles appear around the image. This confirms that Excel recognizes it as the object you want to work with. Next, open the Visual Basic editor by pressing Alt and F11 on your keyboard. This will take you out of the worksheet view and into the VBA environment where you can create and run the macro that controls the picture's size and position. In the Project Explorer, select your workbook so the code is added to the correct file. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Module. A new code window will open. This module is where your VBA procedure will live. Now create the VBA procedure by copying the code shown in the tutorial and pasting it into the new module window. If needed, pause the video so you can enter the code carefully and make sure everything matches exactly. This part is important because even a small typo in VBA can prevent the macro from running properly. After pasting the code, you can adjust the target cell if needed. If the code currently points to cell B2 and you want the image to fit into a different location, simply replace that cell reference with the one you want. Also, pay attention to the part of the code that identifies the picture. As written, it selects the last picture inserted on the worksheet. If you want to resize a specific image instead, replace that reference with the actual picture name. When you're ready, click anywhere inside the Fit Picture to Cell procedure and press F5 to run the macro. Excel will process the code and apply the positioning and sizing instructions to the selected image. Finally, return to the worksheet by pressing Alt and F11 again. You should now see the picture moved into the specified cell and resized to fit within that cell's boundaries. Because the placement property is set to move and size with cells, the image will continue to adjust automatically if you later change the column width or row height. And that's it. You now know how to fit a picture into a cell using Excel VBA.